Chatuchak Weekend Market, also known as Chatuchak or JJ Market, is one of the largest and most popular markets in Bangkok. It offers a vast array of goods, from clothing and accessories to home decor, handicrafts, antiques, and much more. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Chatuchak Weekend Market. Shopping. Chatuchak Weekend Market is a shopper's paradise with over 8,000 stalls spread across 27 sections. You can find a wide range of products including clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, bags, home decor, furniture, ceramics, plants, and art. The market is famous for its affordable prices, and bargaining is a common practice. Food and drinks. The market is filled with food stalls and vendors offering a variety of Thai street food, snacks, fresh fruits, refreshing drinks, and local delicacies. It's a great place to try traditional Thai dishes like pad Thai, som tam, grilled skewers, and coconut ice cream. Vintage and antiques. Chatuchak Market is known for its dedicated sections for vintage and antique items. You can explore stalls selling unique collectibles, retro clothing, old vinyl records, vintage posters, antique furniture, and decorative items with a nostalgic charm. Handicrafts and souvenirs. The market showcases a wide range of traditional Thai handicrafts and souvenirs. You'll find beautiful handmade products such as Thai silk, hand-painted ceramics, wooden carvings, intricate jewelry, traditional masks, and much more. Art and galleries. Chatuchak Market has a section dedicated to art and galleries, where local artists display and sell their artwork. You can find paintings, sculptures, photography, and other forms of artistic expressions. It's a great place to discover emerging artists and take home a unique piece of Thai art. Pets and plants. The market has a section dedicated to pets and plants, where you can find a variety of tropical plants, flowers, garden accessories, as well as pets such as dogs, cats, birds, and fish. It's a popular spot for plant enthusiasts and pet lovers. Live performances. Throughout the market, you may come across live performances such as traditional Thai music, cultural dance shows, and street performances, adding to the vibrant atmosphere and entertainment. Chatuchak Weekend Market offers a captivating experience with its vast selection of products, lively atmosphere, and cultural diversity. It's advisable to wear comfortable shoes, bring cash, and be prepared for a bustling and crowded environment, especially on weekends when the market is busiest.